Okay, so this is how you do an exponential regression on your calculator. Okay, so there will be a question like this on the quiz for the 7-7 and 12-3. So it's pretty straightforward. This is very similar to what we did for linear regressions, except it's just for an exponential regression. So what we're going to do here is we have two pairs of coordinates, and we're going to type these things into our calculator. So open up your calculator. Okay, so I'm ready here. Clear out this stuff. I'm going to go into Stat, okay, and Edit. So it brings me to those lists here. I've got a couple of things in my list here. If I want to get rid of what's in the list, remember you can hit clear on the name and hit enter. It clears out that list. If you happen to go through and hit delete on the list name, it gets rid of it, which is problematic because the default is to do L1 and L2 for the X values and Y values, respectively there. So if you do that and you get rid of it, remember you can just go to highlight where you want it to be, L2 in this case, and push second and the delete button, it inserts. Okay? And I want to name it, and I want to name it L2. So if you look at the number 2, above it in blue is L2. To get anything in blue to show up here, just push second and then the number, or the key there. Now hit enter, so I get that back. So I want to clear that the correct way. So I'm just typing the two coordinates that showed up on this thing here. So it was 3 and 4 were my X values, so I'm just going to type those in here. 3, hit enter, 4, hit enter. And then I'm going to put their corresponding Y values, which were 9.5 and 15.4. 9.5 and 15.4. Okay. Make sure there's the same number of X values as there are Y values. So in this case, L1 is X values, L2 are the Y values. Okay. Now we go to Stat, over to Calc, and if you scroll down past all these different types of regression, option 0 is exponential regression. Hit enter on that. If you have older software, it won't give you this prompt page. It'll just say EXP, REG, open parentheses. The default is to go L1 and L2 for X and Y values. So you can just leave it like this, but I always go and check just to make sure something hasn't changed, and hit enter. Down on calculate there. So for this thing, I get this. For our purposes, it'll say this on the quiz. We're just going to round to 2 decimal places. So in the end, for this thing, my equation is going to be y equals to 2.3 times 1.62. So so y equals 2.3, I think it was, 2.23 and 1.62. 2.23, 1.62, and that's raised to the x. And that's the equation that we're looking for. Okay. All right, so I hope this helps.